Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Dropbox account. Now let us begin. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not to log in, it is quite easy. If you don't know how to, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to delete our Dropbox account. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply click on the profile picture that you will see at the top right section. It's right next to notification. Simply click on it. And from here, these things will open up like settings, manage account and everything. Right now, what you guys need to do is simply go to settings. Once you are in the settings page, initially you will be in the general tab. Well, worry not, simply scroll down in this section to the bottom of the screen. And right here, you can see a button like this that says delete account. And below it, that says delete my Dropbox. And right next to it, there's a button like this that says delete account. Click on it right now. And guys, that's it. It's gonna ask for your password, reason for leaving, and more details. Though it is optional, I'm gonna enter it right now. Once everything's okay, simply hit on permanently delete. And guys, that's it. As you can see, our account has been deleted. That's the gist of it, guys. That's how we delete your Dropbox account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.